Good morning, everyone. We are on day 4 already.
Huh?
Yeah, officially day 4.
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living.
We are heading to the outlets this morning, so we've had a bit of a lie-in. Well, I say a lie-in. I woke up at 5:30 again, which is annoying. He woke up at 6:30, and we thought we'd have like a bit of a slower morning this morning because we're going to the Orlando International Premium Outlets on Vineland. Now we find that this one is better than the one, I don't even know what it's called. Is it just iDrive International Outlets? We find these a lot better, particularly for the Character Warehouse. If you haven't been to Orlando before, or you haven't heard of the Character Warehouse, it's essentially a massive shop full of official Walt Disney World merch at a discount. So some of this stuff is actually been in the parks and they've just, it's like either X stock or things that they can't sell, or sometimes even things that are in the park as we speak. So we always go there to try and get some merch, especially for like family and things like that. So it's quite a good place to start instead of just buying loads of expensive merch on property. So we're gonna do that. That's the plan. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. If you are, make sure that you are subscribed down below and hit that thumbs up so I know that you like this video. But yes, outfit of the day. I have a new t-shirt on. In fact, we both have a new t-shirt on. As you saw yesterday, we went to Disney Springs and we went into Ron John's surf shop. Now, I can't even say it like that. We have this thing where we go, Ron John's surf shop. So I need to say it like that. But basically, that's where we went. And we both picked up a t-shirt. I've gone for yellow. I never, ever wear a yellow t-shirt. So I picked this one up. It has a little turtle that says Ron John. And then on the back, Ron John's surf shop. I think it says Disney Springs underneath, which is quite cool. But Sam has pointed out to me today that I look like a minion. So I'm now a little bit self-conscious. Right, show us yours. You got one as well.
I did get one.
I love that colour. His is the same, but his says Orlando underneath. Very nice. We're looking very coupley today.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Put my Ray-Bans on. Ready for the summer sun. I'm going to take my lounge fly today. And that can only mean one thing. Lotso is coming for the little journey. I actually love this. Sam kindly brought me this the other day because I won a little bet that we did. So that was good. I need my resort cup. Let's go. Let's go to breakfast. We've decided we're going to have some breakfast in the resort today.
I'm leaving my rucksack here then, if I come back here.
I'm going to take mine with me. And then we're going to come back to the room, grab our stuff, and then head to the malls. The way we get to the mall is through using either Uber or Lyft. Normally we use Uber, and I think that's probably what we're going to use today. So this is my favourite time of day. It's peaceful, it's quiet, the sun is out, no one's around, and the weather is tasteful. Oh, there he is, little Ron John. I'm going to call you Ronnie today.
I'll call you Johnny then.
Ronnie and Johnny. I'm actually going to do that. What's up, Ronnie?
Shut up, Johnny.
Right, let's head to breakfast. If you saw the last travel series of us here, I had this insanely huge bagel with this whopping great thick egg that looked like cheese. I've been craving that, so I'm going to have that today. If you are in the parks and you're eating when everyone else is eating, which basically happens all the time and it's super busy, try and mobile order, because it just means you just pay on your phone. So you order it on the app at the restaurant that you're at, and then you just simply wait at a mobile order pickup, and it's like so much quicker. You beat all the queues. That's what we do. also, forgot to say guys, sorry about last night. I didn't end the vlog. I had to get Sam to do it because I got on the bus and just started to get a really bad headache, and then it just got progressively worse as the evening went on, and I ended up just coming back to the room and crashing at about 8 PM. So that wasn't fun, but I woke up this morning and it's completely gone, so don't know what that was all about. I think it was probably the weather, because it was all over the place yesterday, and like 1 minute I was really hot, next minute I was feeling cold and shivery because I'd been in the pool and I'd got wet and then went into the aircon. I don't really know, I'm assuming that's what it was, I don't know, but yeah, that wasn't fun. I just wanted to say that's the reason why Sam, bless him, had to finish the vlog. So thanks for that, dude. Johnny?
Dude.
Ronnie? I'm Johnny.
You're welcome,
Oops.
Johnny.
I'm sorry, just look at this. Like, how are we here? How is this real life? I pinch myself every morning, not literally, that I'm here. Don't you dare, Ronnie. Ronnie.
Punch.
Oh my god, it is! Damn it! It's the 1st of August.
Happy birthday, Mum.
Happy birthday, Tracy. It's Sam's mum's birthday today. So if you're watching, happy birthday! We're gonna try and FaceTime her soon at some point. Yes, as I was saying, I pinch myself every morning that I'm here because I genuinely can't believe that I'm living my Disney life right now. I love it. Absolutely love it. Washing the cups. Our mobile pickups here. I got the breakfast bagel and Sam got vanilla pancakes with bacon and sausage. Woohoo! It's like Christmas. These little packages.
Package of goodness.
A package of yum yum.
Oh.
Come on, show us what you got then, Johnny. Oh.
You're Johnny. I'm Ronnie. No, you're Ronnie, I'm Johnny.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh my god. So I got vanilla pancakes with bacon sausage, and I've got some syrup.
You wouldn't get that at home, would you?
No. What do you got then, Ronnie?
Johnny!
No, I'm Ronnie. I'm Johnny, you're Ronnie.
No, I'm Johnny. You're Ronnie.
Oh yeah.
I said Ronnie. I didn't realise it came with tater tots.
Did you not?
No. These are basically little like barrels of hash brown. That is egg. Look at that egg.
It looks like cheese. Yummy?
Yeah.
Have a tater.
Sam is taking the drinks back to the room and grabbing the bag, and I is heading to the loo because I now need a wee-wee. Sorry for the TMI, but that is what's happening. This is the pub. It's not actually open yet. River Roost, I think it's called. And then this is the main lobby. So you check in over there. Shop is there. And then I'm walking to the restrooms. We've made it to the outlets.
We're here.
Gonna do some shopping.
Shopping.
I'm gonna spend your money, Johnny. Ronnie. No, oh Jesus Christ, no, this is not working. See, the mall is not fully open yet, but this is gonna show you kind of what it looks like. Got some nice like fancier shops along with shops like Nike and
Adidas.
yeah, all those sort of shops, but they're all discounted, which is nice. This is like their version of Vista Village if you live at home.
A lot nicer.
But it is a lot nicer, and it's sunny, and there's palm trees. I think we need to live here. I see it! Coming up in the distance. Here we are. So it's currently 9:30, it opens at 10. We're in now. We've got some dog toys. Or is this a cat toy? I think this might be for cats. Yes, it's cats. Ignore me.
We're matching with Bosie.
Oh my god, how much?
20.
$20. They've got the soap dispensers. Got the Disney Crocs in here for $30. Fluffy inside. But I found these. They're not in my size, but they have these. And I wore these literally to the parks the other day. And these are $20.
Oh god.
Orange bird.
There's a lot.
Got the gold ones. They are $24.99. That's really good. These are $29.99. Currently picked up a new Mo outfit because I have a Minnie Mouse new Mo and this is $2.
And she's currently naked.
She is naked.
Oh dear.
Oh look, they got Stony Clover stuff. This is really expensive normally. How much is it here? $100. See, that's still expensive, but that is cheap. Not checked the price of these, but we saw these the other day.
In Epcot.
In Epcot for $40. They're half price in here. They're $20. For every single park. I'm tempted by that. I might pop them in and we'll have a little think about it. This is also very cute. I love this.
Luggage tag.
$10.
If you need more of these, Max, 30% off.
Yeah. All this is 30% off the lowest ticketed price. So very cheap.
Cheap.
I've seen this in a few vlogs. This is $9.99, was $25, and it's basically a Figment cup, and you have this on the top to keep your drink hot.
DVC.
Jungle Book and Burke. How much are we saying? So it was $328 and is now $196. They feel really nice. They've got a Snow White one. The Moana one's quite cute. That is very cute. I feel like your mum would like that, wouldn't she?
Yeah, that's quite cute.
That's very your mum. Should we see how much it is? 150. Okay, I'm in my element. I'm in Vera Bradley and it is a discounted Vera Bradley store. They've got like super cute patterns and stuff. I'm currently holding this hoardle because when I go around Sam's I use like a hoardle and I really want a new one. This is $160 but I would get it for $55, so it's coming home with me. And the blanket is $65 down to $22. So that's also coming home with me.
That's not for you, the blanket.
That's more for the doggies.
Chocolates.
And do I go with this one?
Don't know, eggs. I think.
Dilemmas. I want everything. These are cool. So you've got like a bit at the top. Oh, this would be a good makeup bag. I have done some damage. I will show you in a haul coming soon. I'm not going to keep it in this vlog because I don't want to ruin it, but to say the least, it was very, 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 very good. I've done a whole like reel on Vera Bradley because I literally loved it so much and I thought you guys might appreciate it. For those that actually like Vera Bradley, definitely come to the Orlando Premium Outlets. Do not spend your money in Disney Springs unless you want Disney branded Vera Bradley. They don't have that in this outlet, but they do have some really nice stuff, so I'm glad I went in there. But we are actually now walking, which is quite funny. We're walking to McDonald's because we just spotted it across the road and we were like, oh my god. Bit excited. I don't know why I got so excited over McDonald's because we literally have that in the UK, but it's just a bit different. There she is, McD's. Oh, do you know what? I could just live here. Like, just look at it. There it is. This is terrifying. Oh, and the weather. Oh, it's just so good. Oh my god, they have 40 nuggets. 13 cookie tote. What are the beverages? Lemonade, Hawaiian punch, Minute Maid.
Plain cheeseburger pack, 2 cheeseburgers, 2 fries and nuggets.
See, they should have something like that at home, shouldn't they? Big enough. Look at that. And here's...
Look how 19.
Oh my god, they have the plastic straws. My little Coke.
Extra little.
And my little meal. I wonder how this compares to at home. Oh my god, it doesn't even open the same. Oh, I got some apple slices because I'm a child. What is that? That is actually like the size of my hand. Oh my god, I gotta take a picture of that. What did you get?
I got my normal order like I got at home, but here, and it's huge. So I got 6 nuggets, large fries, large Coke, and a cheeseburger.
I love the large Coke. Do you know what? I quite like that it's I know it's bad for the planet, but it's plastic. I quite like that. I can see my burger. We're at the crossroads. Oh, it's looking a bit grey over there, boo.
A few moments later.
It's raining man!
It's also very loud here, and we're gonna get copyrighted. But
Sing over the copyright, sing over the copyright.
We're near North Face, we just been in there, no good. But we're waiting now to get an Uber, go to Magic, well go back to the resort and then go to Magic to try and ride Tron.
Because we've got a boarding group that's due any minute.
We're stressing. So we're looking at the board for the bus times, and Magic Kingdom currently has nothing. Epcot's just popped up and is saying 1:46 and it's currently 1:30.
And we've got 2.
Our boarding group's been called for Tron and we don't think we're going to make it. We've got until 2:15.
Update.
We made it at 2:15, which was the end of our virtual queue. Don't know how we did that. Very cool.
Very, very
I'm
well.
excited. I don't know who's going to win this. I think you are, because honestly I don't know how to do it. I'm not very good, I don't know what I'm doing.
Look at her. She stuck right on a target. Look! Oh, score!
I've never got this one. Oh my god, I've never got that score before. Hey,
So lucky when we
I did. What am I then? I am a planetary pilot.
Ranger first class. Yeah, sounds about right.
You're first class, babe. It's snack time. I've already tried it. I couldn't wait. We decided to buy Genie Plus because the park was so busy.
He's
So we've
so
just
busy.
done
Yeah.
Buzz, as you saw, and now we're waiting to do Winnie the Pooh, which we can do actually in a minute. Crop kind of day. We both got our crops on. If it's good. You want a bit?
No, thank you.
I needed this. I can't believe believe I've never done Winnie the Pooh? I've been in 3 times now, and this will be the first time I'm riding it. You're like Michelin Man. It is. I know I've said it already, but it's unbearably hot.
32.
Woo! I've got a sweaty upper lip.
Nice.
I know.
Is that bad, is it?
Nearly there.
Remember, this is really fast.
Yeah, you have to hold them really tight. This is probably the fastest ride in Disney.
Yeah. Alright, it's ready.
Oh.
East Wind traded places with Quite terror. Don't bounce with me. Just great, doesn't it? Beware.
Oh no, it's like a Florida storm. I'm used to those.
Yeah. Look at my Crocs. Got that out with your teeth. Oh. Alright, so you finally ridden Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, that's
Tick that box.
We're about to now go on the ride that will get stuck in your head. Any guesses?
It's a world of laughter, a world of tears.
It's a small, small world.
Hey. It's nice and cool in here.
Oh, it is. It's lovely. It's the man behind it all.
He's got the power.
Like a fun fact, if you sit on one of these tables in Noco Village House, they sometimes have signs that you can hold up, like to do certain things, like wave at me or I don't know, something like that.
The happiest cruise that ever sailed.
Shakira. Cue my favourite bit of Small World. Shake, 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 yeah. Woohoo! I'm sorry, what the hell is this?
Yeah, literally, eh?
What is this? Can I just remind everyone? It's August 1st.
Literally.
Why is this happening 2 months early?
Because it's... Whoop, whoop.
They even do the Halloween parties now. You can actually book them.
August 11th is the first one.
That's insane.
Right, bye bye for now, Magic.
See you in a bit. We're going to the ground floor to chillax.
Yeah.
Look around their shops and get some aircon. Because our lightning lane isn't till like 20 past 7. So.
Just missed it.
Okay, it's quite cool under here.
Good thinking. There should be a boat coming now.
Park duckies living their best life. We're on the boat now. Recorded the whole situation happening, but we got DVC'd.
Yeah, we haven't bought.
No.
But we
don't
got
worry. But
a lesson
yes,
on
I
it.
did swap out one of my pins for Duffy, the little bear. He's very cute. So I've done my first pin trading of the trip. Well, of ever really. I've never done pin trading.
No, you haven't ever done it.
So I've got some pins that I want to trade. So yeah.
But you not the same, but you not even if I knew that I should. It made me lonely and bitter, but that was all before you. Now we be saying
Can't quite see it. No, you can't see it at all. But we're at Casey's for dinner.
So, there's Casey.
There he is.
There he is. Hot dog, hot dog, hot.
It's 9:15 tonight, the fireworks, isn't it?
Yep.
And it's currently 22:09.
Where do you want to stand?
Wherever I can.
Well, because it's not necessarily all on the castle now.
No. Really, you want to stand up Main Street? At the end of Main Street? Okay, so I'm stood outside Casey's corner, as you can see. And it is chaos because it is happily ever after in approximately 25 minutes. So everyone's getting their space. Sam is ordering our hot dogs and I'm just stood around here waiting for a table, which is not happening, annoyingly. So could be standing and eating our hot dogs, but we're gonna try and hope that someone's gonna move. Let's not lie, no one is, are they? People are gonna stay where they're sat because they've got the best view. So yeah, that's the update. I'll let you know when we've got our hot dogs. Oh, bless him, he's got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you muchly. So we've got foot-long hot dogs, some cheese, fries, massive Coke and a water. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much ready for this. Thank you.
You're good.
Oh, look at that. Is it good? Oh my god.
It's very good.
Oh, that's so good. This is exciting. We've treated ourselves. This is the first time we've done this. We're getting a minivan. Yay! I'm actually well excited about this. So if you don't know, minivans are those red and white little cars that you see driving around resorts and Disney, and they are ran by Lyft, the app. So if you've got the Lyft app, you can get a minivan. So we've decided to do that. It is slightly more expensive than minivan.
That's a great idea. Have a nice day.
Thank you. I'm really excited. This is a treat. You excited?
Yeah.
This is cool, isn't it? I feel very bougie.
Be back.
Look. I love mousekeeping.
Mousekeeping.
They've put our telly on for us.
Yeah, and the little light on in the bathroom so we can see.
It's very cute.
Right, let's put these away.
Right. Got to announce something here. We're on day 4. Blisters have started. Wah, wah, wah.
Wait, wait,
So I'm walking like a penguin.
Oh dear.
It says online to not pop your blisters, but
So don't
if
pop
I
them.
don't pop mine, they get bigger. So it's the next morning now. I've got a really croaky voice because we had the AC on for half of the night because I got really hot. But I just wanted to end the vlog because I didn't end it last night because we got in quite late because of watching Happily Ever After. But I just wanted to say, I will vlog Happily Ever After when we have a better view. Last night was a bit chaotic because we went to have a Casey's Corner and we left that quite late because we were going on rides, and yeah. So it kind of got a little bit crazy and we couldn't get a good spot for the fireworks. As you saw, we had a giant tree in front of us, but still it was an amazing fireworks show. I love that. I'm so glad it's back. But I just wanted to end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching us go around the outlets and go into Magic Kingdom. We did go on Tron again, but I didn't film it this time because I really wanted to enjoy it. All in all, it was a great day. I'm now going to end the vlog and start the next one. Make sure that you're subscribed and hopefully I'll end the vlogs because I'm forgetting at the moment. But yes, thanks for watching guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!